And a study says startups across the globe have gained the most post-peak COVID era. Since first quarter of 2020, global startups, particularly linked to tech, have been getting most chunk of businesses and funds. In third quarter of current financial year, global startups, they have raised record $158 billion in funds, as investors have been found pouring astronomical money into global startups. The report says Indian startups have also raised record $10 billion in just one quarter, and in September this year, led by tech firms. Leading robotic tech startup firm Adverb has also got momentum after Q1 of January last year. Its co-founder says COVID has actually accelerated the business. Let's listen in.
Just because of COVID-19, a lot of companies realized that this is the right time to do automation, because human touch, etc. was a scary thing. So it helped our business. We started getting a lot of inquiries from India, outside India, and a lot of inquiries turned into the projects.
And fueled by domestic spending in the US and China, particularly on high-end shoes, leather goods and jewelry, luxury goods sector is set to move past COVID-19 crisis this year. Consultancy firm Bain estimates global sales of personal luxury goods will reach $327 billion this year, bouncing back from the crisis with 4% increase compared to 2019 before the pandemic hit. Now, business in the US, which this year overtook Europe as largest market, was boosted by early vaccination campaigns and a quick rebound in local consumption. Demand in China, growth engine of luxury industry, remained strong through October despite lockdowns in some areas, as Chinese unable to travel abroad made purchases there in their home market. In Europe, business has yet to return to pre-COVID levels and may take until 24 to do so, despite pickup in tourist activity over the summer. The largest players in industry like LVMH, Hermes and Kering have already recovered strongly from health crisis, pushing well above 2019 levels of business as lockdowns ease and socializing resumes. Overall, sales for the sector were down by 23% in 2020, largest ever drop and first decline since 2009. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.